Hey everyone, this is Shira. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to build your personal brand through social media. If you're interested, keep on watching. There are two major reasons why you should build your personal brand through social media. Number one is that social media is a free tool so that you can be able to freely connect with the people, not only the people that you know personally, but in a wider audience. Using social media, not only you will be able to be known, but also you will be able to know the people that you wanted to engage to. The second reason is that you can freely market yourself. Not only they know you by your name, but they will be able to know you on what you offer, whether it's a product or a service. The first thing that you need to do is that you need to know where the market that you wanted to serve and what is your niche. There are three markets. One is health, second is wealth, and third is relationships. So for instance, I am a personal development coach. I belong in health because personal development is part of wellness and wellness is part of health. Personal development is my specific niche. It is very important to focus on 2 to 3 social media so that you would not spread yourself thinly, and also to reach the target audience that you wanted to serve. You need to create a professional account, not a personal account. That would help your audience to identify you are committed to the niche that you are focusing on, and also for the people not to confuse your personal and professional account. Now that we identified what market and what is your specific niche, the next step is to provide a clear brand message, values, and pillars. I want you to treat your personal brand as a huge organization or institution. A company has a mission, vision, and values, but we wanted to incorporate it to an individual. The most important here is the important message that you wanted to deliver to your audience is what service or product that you wanted to provide, whether it is paid or free service. For instance, as a personal development coach, I help individuals create an authentic personal brand through personal development in order to unfold your truest potential. That is my message and the service that I wanted to provide. It is very important to have pillars for a brand. Imagine the way that your house is built is made of strong walls, and these walls are the foundation of your house in order for it to be safe and secure for you and your family. That is how you see your pillars. For example, my pillars are self-awareness, creativity, motivation, mindset. These pillars would be the foundation to support my brand as a personal development coach. Now let's move to the values. Values is how you treat your audience and customers. For example, the values of a personal development coach is to provide generous information that would allow you to be aware of who you are. So generosity is the values. Branding yourself is not focused on color scheme, logo. It is more about what you can provide to the people and what they can get from you. It also allows you to be yourself because it is your brand, and people will be able to know you deeply in a personal level. Not only people will be able to know you with your expertise, but they will be able to know your experience on the other part of you that made you for who you are. That's why big companies reach out to influencers, because influencers have an audience that would really give them the time and attention to what they share on their social media. There are also two types of influencers that depends on brand deals, and the second influencer is the one who educates. Really encourage you to focus information type, educational type of influencer, so that not only people will be able to like you, but they are able to trust you because you were able to provide them information that would help them from their struggles. Next step is to engage to your social media accounts. For instance, I am a personal development coach, so most of the posts that I share in my social media accounts are about personal development. So it's about self-awareness, reflection, creativity, motivation, and also my personal insight and experience that would enable them to really understand that I also have the same experience that they have, but I was able to really find a solution, so that I wanted to share them the solution so that they will be able to apply it in hopes that they can overcome this struggle and to move forward. It's very important to be informative in your social media accounts, to be able to encourage people to do the same thing, and at the same time are able to learn new information from you and to know you deeply with your experiences. In order for you to attract the people that you wanted to engage in, it is very important to use hashtags, because hashtags that is specific to your niche, like say for instance personal development coach, my hashtags are mentioned earlier about creativity, motivation, productivity, self-reflection, self-awareness, consciousness. These are the hashtags that I use that would allow me to attract the people that I wanted to help and to provide my service. It is also important not only to focus on promoting yourself, but also to engage with other accounts that you believe that resonates with you, or you wanted also to support them with their advocate. And the last tip is to provide information. I know that branding is about focus about you, but the most essential part of branding is how you will be able to serve the people, not about what you can get from people. That's why I really create how-to's video rather than vlogs, because I know that the information that I'm providing to people are the things that they need in order for them to overcome specific struggles in life. Because social media is not about vanity metrics. Social media platforms are created in order for you to be informed and to connect with other people. That's all the information that you need to know in order for you to build a personal brand that really resonates with the people that you wanted to serve. Also, I want to make sure that you really apply these steps to build your personal brand. So I will leave a free resource in the description box below. Also, you want to join my Facebook group where I provide free trainings there. I will leave them in the description box below. And also to make sure to hit the notification bell, because in my next video I'll be talking about how to design a stationery line collection, because I'll be launching my Shopify online product-based business on September. So make sure to hit the notification bell for you to be notified with the video that is coming. If you have not watched my other videos, I will leave them here. I wish you the best in life and have a great day, and see you in my next video. Bye!